Morning students, welcome back to our maths class. Myself, Mrs. Shagufta Sheikh, have come up with a new topic of maths, that is lesson number 6, division part 1. So let us start now. Students, in our last video we had already finished with our multiplication lesson. Today we will start with our new lesson, that is division part 1. Students, what do we mean by division? This you had already studied in 3rd standard. Do you remember? Division means making equal lots from collection of objects. From this, what do you understand? You have to make equal lots from the collection of objects. For example, in a bag there are 6 chocolates total, and these 6 chocolates we have to give to the 2 children. There is 2 children. Now the 6 chocolates we have to give to these 2 children. How we will give? First chocolate we will give to this first one. For example, we will give this name as A and B. First chocolate we have given to A. Now second chocolate we will give to B. Now again third chocolate we will give to A. Then next 4th chocolate we will give to B. Then again 5th chocolate we will give to A, and again 6th chocolate we will give to B. In this manner we have distributed these 6 chocolates to the 2 children. How many A has got? 1, 2, 3 chocolates. And how many B has got? 1, 2, 3 chocolates. From this, what do we understand? The 6 chocolates are divided between the 2 children equally. It means that we had made equal lots. This means equal lots we had made from the collection of objects. Have you all understood now? This means we had divided the chocolates between the 2 children. This means division. Have you all understood, dear? So now let us see what is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. Now we will see what is quotient, dividend, remainder and divisor. First we will see what is dividend. The number being divided is called as a dividend. Which number is getting divided here? 20. So this number is called as a dividend. And the number by which dividend is divided, that number is called as a divisor. And the result of change is called as a quotient. After dividing, what we get the remaining here is called as the remainder. So the number being divided is called as a dividend. The number by which dividend will be divided is called as a divisor. The result of change is called as a quotient, and the number left after finding the quotient is called as a remainder. All these 4 terms are very important. That is quotient, dividend, remainder and divisor. Have you all understood now? So now we will move ahead. Now we will see a revision which is on your textbook page number 32. First one. If 20 chocolates are divided equally between 5 children, how many does each child get? What they are telling here? There are how many chocolates total? 20 chocolates. And how many children are there? 5. and these 20 chocolates are divided between the 5 children. Therefore, they are telling us to find how many does each child get. Therefore, what we will do now? 20 will be divided by 5 children. So, for this division or multiplication, you should know the table from 2 to 20 by heart. So, let us divide 20 by 5. For this you will need 5 table. Like this you have to make the rough column. Here you can write the table if you don't know. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. In 5 table, how many times does 20 come? 4. Therefore, here we will write 4, 5 fours are 20. What is the answer we have got here is 4. Therefore, how many does each child get? Therefore, each child gets 4 chocolates. Have you all understood? What we have done here? We have divided 20 divided by 5. Then how many times does 20 in 5 does 20 comes? 5 fours are 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. Therefore, 5 fours are 20 and the remainder we have got here is 0. Therefore, how many does each child get chocolate? Each child will get total 4 chocolates. From this, what do you understand? Division means distributing things equally. Have you all got till here? Now we will see second example. If 21 flowers are divided equally between 7 children, how many flowers does each child get? What it is said here? There are 21 flowers and 21 flowers are divided equally between 7 children. How many flowers does each child get? What they are telling us to find here? How many flowers each child is getting. Therefore, what we will do here? We will divide 21 divided by 7. Total how many flowers are there? 21. And how many children are there? 7. Therefore, 21 divided by 7. How we divide? 21 divided by 7. What is the table of 7? See, here in the rough column we will write 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. How many times of 7 comes 21? 7 threes are. 7 threes are is 21. Therefore, here in the quotients place we will write 3. 7 threes are 21. We will subtract 21 minus 21. What is the remainder here? 0. Therefore, how many flowers each child will get? 3 flowers. Therefore, each child gets 3 flowers. Have you all understood? There were total 21 flowers and 21 flowers were divided between 7 children. we have to find how many flowers does each child get. Therefore, what we did here is 21 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. Therefore, in the question place will come 3 and 21 here down. And 21 will be subtracted from 21. Therefore, what will be remaining here is 0. Therefore, each child will get how many flowers? 3 flowers. Let us see now third example. Let us arrange 15 divided by 5 in the form of dots. As 5 is the divisor, let us put 5 dots in one row and find out how many rows are needed for 15 dots. Now, what we have to do here? We have to arrange 15 divided by 5 in the form of dots. What is the divisor here? 5. So, what we will put? We will put 5 dots in one row and find out how many rows are needed for 15 dots. So, what is the divisor here? 5. Therefore, 5 dots in one row. So, let us start. Solution. See, in our first row, this is our first row. Therefore, 5 dots. Now, 15 minus 5. How many remaining here? 10. Then again 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our second row. Then 5 will be subtracted from 10. How many will be remaining here? Is 5. Again 5 is remaining here. Therefore, again third row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. This is our third row. Again 5 will be subtracted from 5. What is the remaining here is 0. So how many rows are formed here? 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, how many rows are needed for 15 dots? Therefore, how many rows are needed? 1, 2 and 3 rows are needed. Therefore, three rows are needed for 15 dots. Have you all understood? They have told here us to arrange 15 divided by 5 in the form of dots. And as whichever is the divisor here, that many dots we will put in one row. So, in the first row we have put here is 5 dots. This was our first row. What was the dividend here? 15. 15 minus 5. What we have got here is 10. Then again 10 is remaining. Then again 5 dots in the second row. Then 10 minus 5. What is remaining here is 5. Again 5 is remaining. Therefore again third row of 5 dots. Then we will subtract 5 minus 5. The answer we have got here is 0. Therefore, how many rows were formed here? Total 3 rows. And also, division is also called as the repeated subtraction. See, the same number is again subtracted till we get 0. As we have seen in multiplication, multiplication is also known as the repeated addition. In the same way, division is also known as the repeated subtraction. The same number we subtract again and again till we get 0. So, therefore, how many rows were formed here? 3 rows. Have you all understood now? Solve the following problems by using dots. It is on textbook page number 32. Let us see the first sum. 8 divided by 2. Now in this, what is the divisor here? 2. Therefore in one row, how many dots will come? 2. And what is the dividend? 8. So let us start now. Solution. In first row, how many dots will come? That is 2 dots. This is our first row. And what was the dividend here? 8. Therefore 8 minus 2. How many remaining? 6. Then again 2 dots. This is our second row. Again 2 will be subtracted from 6. What will be remaining here? 6 minus 2, 4. Then again 2 dots. This will be our third row. Minus 2. 4 minus 2. What is the remaining here? 4 minus 2 is 2. Then again we will draw 2 dots. This will be our fourth row. Then again 2 will be subtracted. 2 minus 2 is 0. Therefore how many rows are formed here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. As I have told you, whichever is divisor, that many dots you have to draw and subtract from the dividend. What is the dividend here is 8. Therefore 8, then we have drawn 2 dots in the first row, minus 2. 8 minus 2 we have got here is 6. Then again 2 dots in the second row. 6 minus 2 is 4. Then again 2 dots in the third row. Then again 4 minus 2, here we have got is 2. Then again 2 dots in the fourth row. Then again 2 minus 2 is 0. Till we get 0, we have to draw that many rows. Have you all understood? Now let us take another sum. Let us take now third sum. 18 divided by 6. Now what is the divisor here? 6. And what is the dividend here? 18. Therefore how many dots will come in one row? 6 dots. Let us start. Solution. What is the dividend here is 18. Therefore 18 we will write here. Now we will start drawing the dots. 6 dots in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our first row. Therefore we will subtract 6 from 18. 18 minus 6, how many we will get? Is 12. Now 12 is remaining. Therefore again second row will be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots in second row. Now we will subtract 6 from 12. What will be remaining here is 12 minus 6, how much? 6. Now 6 is remaining. Therefore again third row will be formed of 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our third row. Then again 6 will be subtracted from 6. 6 minus 6, answer we have got here is 0. So how many rows are formed here? 1, 2 and 3. Have you all understood? See What will be the divisor? That many dots we have to put in one row and subtract from the dividend till we get 0. First row, how many dots? 6 dots. We have subtracted 18 minus 6, 12. Then again second row of 6 dots. We have subtracted 6 minus 12 minus 6, that is 6. Then again third row of 6 dots. Then again 6 minus 6, the answer we have got here is 0. Therefore, how many rows are formed here? 1, 2 and 3 rows are formed. Have you all understood till here? We have solved first and third sum. For your homework, you will do second and fourth sum. So now we will stop here now. So here we will stop now. For your homework, you will do sums on page number 39 of Maths Practice Books. Kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.